back to my channel. Today we're going to be making my version of General Tso's chicken. It's really simple, easy, one pot dish. So let's get started with the ingredients. My base of my dish is chicken breast. You could use chicken thigh, whatever you like. You need an orange citrus kind of base. If you have orange juice, that's fine, but we don't have that, so we're just going to blend 2 mandarins. And then we need a soy sauce base. So we're using teriyaki sauce because it kind of cuts the time in half. So those are the 3 main ingredients you need, but we also have some other things to spice it up. We have some sliced fresh garlic, we have scallions, some red chili flake for a kick, sesame seeds, it's really for aesthetic, some ginger. We need to bread the chicken, so we're gonna do it in cornstarch. And just for some tang and sweetness, we have rice vinegar and we have honey. So let's get started. And it feels very weird when you touch it. It's almost like a cringe feeling, but this does not work as well with flour. Cornstarch is the only way. So now it's time to make the sauce. We drain out of our oil, and then we're going to pour in our soy sauce, and we're going to deglaze the bottom of the pan. Okay. We're going to add in our garlic. Okay. Just a little bit of rice vinegar. Just a little. Chili flake. Ginger, and some honey. We can't forget about our orange juice.
I wish you guys were here to see this or smell it. It smells so good.
Okay, so we're all plated here. We have our General Tso's chicken, And we have our basmati rice. I like a little bit more of a fragrant rice. I don't like jasmine rice with it. Basmati is the best for this dish. And we have some black and white sesame seeds. And we're just gonna put some on the top. Right? And then we have some chopsticks here. And we're just gonna do a little quick taste test. It's delicious. Thank you for watching our video. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Wow, that is spicy. Please give us ideas as what you want to see us cook next. Thank you.